Hello everyone, my name is Joshua Williams, and today I'll be doing my first semester final project for Intro to Natural Science. And what I'll be doing it on is helium. Now, I have three main subjects to go over, and those categories or subjects are good that it does, the bad that it does, and something that you wouldn't know or that is surprising about this element. And after that, I'll try my best to convince you that this is a good project. So, first, what we will be going over is how it's good and why it is good. And honestly, it's good in today because we use it in blimps, space balloons that helps us just see what's outer space, and party balloons. So, right now, we also use it in field rockets, and wind-powered supersonic wind-powered tunnels. Now, the bad thing is that will happen if you suck up too much helium. So, the bad thing is, if you suck up too much helium, you're not getting enough oxygen to your lungs, and that's not a good thing. And an example of that is, as you can see here, like in my demonstration, I had a graduate party for my 8th grade year at Loma Linda Academy. So, let's pretend this is filled with helium. Now, an instance that this would happen is after a fun party, you just have fun, you leave, and you take some balloons with you, or someone brings balloons to school for your birthday. After they just go down a little bit, you're like, oh, I can't use these anymore. So you cut it open, and your voice gets like this. And once you start talking like this, then that's not a good thing because not enough oxygen is getting to your lungs. And if you suck up too much, like if you suck this whole thing, pretend this thing is filled with helium, and you suck it all the way down until it's flat, that's going to give you a migraine headache, and that you're not going to like that, I promise you. And once you get to the point where you're like, if you do a lot, like if you just suck helium, people ask, can you get high off of helium? No, you can't. But helium can kill you because it is very dangerous because you're not getting enough oxygen. And if you suck up too much helium, it can rupture your lungs. Now my third topic is something interesting. So, what not many people know about helium, well, everyone knows that it makes your voice go high, but they don't know the science behind that. Now, helium is lighter than air, and it is proven to be 6 times lighter, which makes your voice go high once you breathe it in. And we find that amusing in today's age. Like with movies, Alvin and the Chipmunks, we don't know how they got their voices that high, but they got them that high. So, I'm just warning you right now, it can't get that high. And right now I'm going to try and say, I fully support helium because it is for the future. We use it in supersonic wind tunnels and fuel rockets. And if you don't know what those are, look it up. That's what Google's for. But anyways, so I hope you enjoyed this, and I fully support it. Like, I will convince you that this is good because we use it to find Mars, all these stars and constellations, and what's going to happen. So, I will list my sources down below if you want to check if it's factual. And thank you for watching. I'm out. Peace.